Welcome to the heart of Seoul's culture, Bukchon Hanok Village and Insadong. These two neighborhoods are where history, tradition, and modern charm meet. Today, we'll explore their most beautiful sights, must-visit spots, and delicious foods you shouldn't miss. Bukchon Hanok Village is a living museum of Korea's past, nestled between Gyeongbokgung Palace and Changdeokgung Palace. This neighborhood is home to hundreds of preserved hanok, or traditional Korean houses, dating back to the Joseon dynasty. As you walk through the narrow stone-paved alleys, you'll find small cultural museums, traditional craft workshops, and tea houses. Don't miss the Bukchon Observatory, for a panoramic view of tiled rooftops against Seoul's skyline. If you visit in the morning, you can watch artisans making pottery, embroidery, or traditional paper crafts. Just a short walk from Bukchon, you'll find Insadong, a vibrant hub of Korean art and culture. This neighborhood is famous for its antique shops, calligraphy stores, and modern art galleries. Along the main street, you'll see street performances, food stalls, and charming alleys filled with hidden cafes. Ssamziegil, a spiral shopping complex, is a must-visit for handmade crafts, accessories, and quirky souvenirs. When it comes to food, Bukchon and Insadong will delight your taste buds. Start with a traditional tea ceremony in one of the historic Hanok tea houses. Try Omija tea, made from 5 flavor berries, or Sangwa tea, a spiced herbal drink. For street snacks, don't miss hotteok, a sweet pancake filled with brown sugar and dragon's beard candy, pulled by hand right in front of you. If you're hungry for a bigger meal, try Ssamgitang, a hot ginseng chicken soup, or bibimbap at one of the traditional restaurants nearby. Bukchon Hanok Village and Insadong are perfect for experiencing the heart of Korean tradition, in the middle of a modern city. From stunning Hanok architecture to vibrant art streets and delicious local flavors, every corner has a story to tell. Thanks for joining us on this journey through Seoul's cultural treasures. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more travel adventures.